Did you know that 30% of your time you are searching for information? Lost time! Do you want to regain this? In this video we are highlighting 3 of our workshops to help you improve your work by using new digital technology.
First workshop we recommend to you is the Vision, Strategy and Digital Transformation workshop. Maritime companies often buy a software package to replace an old one or to solve their problems. That doesn't give the right results. Do you really want to benefit from the new digital opportunities? During the workshop, together with your colleagues, you build a vision and then create a strategy to follow. After this workshop, you are prepared for your digitalization journey.
The second workshop we recommend is the Maritime Knowledge Management workshop. In this workshop, you learn how to create a boost in your personal knowledge. And you discover how to create a knowledge boost by building a strong knowledge base of your knowledge and the knowledge of your team.
The third workshop we highlight is the very practical document-driven to data-driven workshop. With hands-on exercises, we guide you through the difference between document-driven and data-driven approaches. You experience the risks when your projects are based on documents, and you experience the benefits of working data-driven. The result of this workshop is more job satisfaction, fewer mistakes, and an innovation boost for yourself and your maritime company.
Check the link in the description for more information and an overview of all our workshops. If you have any questions, please contact our trainers. They will be happy to assist you. Join today and regain the lost time searching for information. Thank you for watching.